stuck in traffic after a required quick stop here on the highway on our way to Branson, Missouri for the Vintage Camper Rally.
Howdy, folks. We're on I-44, Route 66, I guess. And yeah, that was a quick stop. You know, it was actually, I'd have to say, one of the stupid things. I had a trucker in front of me. He must have seen what was happening ahead, and I didn't. And this left lane, it was open, I guess, so he swung over. And next thing I know, I got a stopped semi in front of me. And man, we had to, I mean, we were going highway speed here. So it was a little scary for a minute there. It sounds like there's an accident out there. There goes a police car. But anyway, so yeah, we're on our way. We've got our troops with us. We got Gramps behind us and his Seabreeze, his Toyota. And we've got Jessie, our daughter, back there with the 62 Shasta, which is for the Vintage Camper Rally. Actually, we're all kind of vintage. We mentioned in some other videos, you know, we're going to be parked over there where they do all the open house or tours of all the vintage campers. So we're going to open our bus up. We've already got some stuff prepared. We'll have all our Wanderlodge videos that we put on YouTube. We'll have them and running just automatically up here on this TV, and we'll kind of promote, you know, our little renovation video as something fun to see and have some fun with it. So yeah, what else? I guess that's probably it until we get there. You know, in May, just a few months back, you know, we were doing this in Gramps. It's when he hit the bump on the road up here. It's probably 10 miles ahead of us. And so we're kind of crossing our fingers that, of course, at this speed we'll be all right if this lasts.
Everything happens for a reason, so maybe we're just going to cruise on over that bump at about 4 miles an hour this trip.
But hopefully we don't have anything with him. We still have no idea what happened. Everything's checked out. We've checked everything for loose connections in his engine. I mean, it just, you know, the way he lost power and then it came back on after he stopped, I don't know. But anyway, we are going to enjoy the weekend.
Well, we'll continue to crawl along to our trip to Branson. I don't know whether there's an accident up here. Is it road work? What is it?
Accident.
We think it's an accident up here.
Guardrails all messed up over here or something. Looks like a semi.
A mess. Looks like they threw things all over the highway.
Got 2.5-inch prime tenderloins in the convection oven in the Wanderlodge here. Doing a little reverse sear. We've already got some dinner started. We got a little salad going here. We just made camp at Branson KOA for the Vintage Camper Rally. We got our cooking set up, and of course we like to do our potatoes and onions and our limas. Oops, they're about to boil over. Got Jessie and Hanson showing up for some dinner. Everybody's got their campsites ready to go. Yep. A little bit of scenes around the site here. We've got some normal rigs, and then up in here is where a lot of the vintage camper rigs are going to be. Got a few around us, they're all real cute. We'll get a separate video of all that on Saturday. Oh yeah, $275 for 40 minutes. These are 2.5-inch prime tenderloin, 30-day wet aged, and actually doing about 2.5 to 3 minutes aside. It's going to be medium rare. All right, we have a fabulous dinner. 2.5-inch tenderloin prime, wet age 30 days.
28.
We got, how do you pronounce this wine?
Beaujolais.
Beaujolais. Look at her meat.
Yeah, go lay down.
We
Go lay
did it reverse sear, convection oven, in a camper, RV. Perfectly cooked. That's the way I like to hear it. And we're having lunch at the Ozark Mill here in Ozark, Missouri. Supposed to be a really nice little place.
We come up this weekend every year. The KOA has a vintage camper rally.
A lot of stonework here. Some of the outdoor scenery of the Ozark Mill. The restaurant. It's just beautiful. Beautiful day. Here we are, September. Middle of September. But yeah, it's very beautiful. Some more of the scenic beauty right outside of the Ozark Mill. That was a fabulous lunch. Little water show at the landing in Branson.
And Scott's like, they played the national anthem. Scott's like, we can't see the fountain. It's like the perfect view.
We're at Waxy O'Shea's having dinner. Well, we're having a good time at the Vintage Camper Rally here in Branson. We ended up opening our bus up and had a lot of fun talking about it. A lot of great visitors. Everybody here for the rally. A lot of folks stopped by and checked ours out as well. And it's a really great, fun group. I got busy with that, so I didn't go around like I wanted to kind of video all of the units. So I thought I better do a little quick pan here. Get a few of them in the video. Sorry for the rest of you, I am running out of time. We're actually having the dinner and the show right now over here. And we have the KOA here does a real nice job after the rally. In the evening, they feed us barbecue dinner. Great staff here. If you haven't stayed at the KOA in Branson, it's a lot of fun. There's my shadow. And campsite was real nice. Had to level up a little bit on it, but we're having a good time here. And Wanderlodge is doing a good job for us. And oh, and the entertainment tonight. KOA always tries to get some Branson entertainment. The entertainer, it's a female singer. Her name is CJ Newsom, Newsom. I'll have to put a link in the description about her. So I'm gonna get back over there, and they're just doing some auctioning right now, and the fun and games will start here in a minute. Well, unfortunately, we had a disaster strike tonight. We were in at the little show. Didn't even know it was gonna rain, and God, we had this torrential rainfall. I had the awning out. Of course, I didn't have it tilted, and it totally filled up with water and crashed, and basically has bent that main roller. And so now, you know, we got to figure out what to do in the morning. We did get a hold of a mobile service that's going to be here, but it probably won't be here till about 12 or 1 o'clock. So we'll be, we just wanted some help, knowing these can be dangerous. They're spring loaded. We just got to get that main roller off the bars, and with any luck, we can kind of bend that, possibly roll it up and secure it against the goat rail, I guess was the plan, and then, you know, go from there. Kind of heartbreaking, for sure. Yep, it was a rough night. Rain came out of nowhere. Nobody even knew it was going to rain, and we had that awning out, and we were away. Came back to this. So, yeah, it's pinched in half there. We have mobile service coming today to see what we can do. Yeah, famous mobile RV repair out of Hollister, right?
No, we're in Branson.
Branson, okay. So this is Charlie, and he was able to help us out on a Sunday to get the caved-in awning up. Between the two of us on a couple ladders, we straightened it, and we got it rolled up. It was tough, but we got it up, we got it latched, we got a couple of big strap ties. So we're good to travel, and we didn't have to take all that off. We'll let our replacement service company do all that. So thanks, Charlie.